This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload your first film on Olyn. Let's start on our dashboard. In the upper right corner, click the Add Media Asset button. First up, trailers. There are two types, short and default. The short trailer is used for the background, while the default trailer appears here on your film page. Let's upload them now. Next, we have bonus content, things like behind-the-scenes footage, deleted scenes, or any extra material you'd like to share with your fans for free. On the next page, fill in the details like the title, short description, and synopsis. You can also set a release date, add the studio name, filming locations, genres, and links to platforms like IMDb or social media. Now for gallery images, upload visuals to showcase your movie on its page. At the bottom, upload your media asset logo or brand signature, as well as the desktop cover background image and the mobile version. Next, we add details about the director and cast. For each, include their name, role, and a picture. Here's the exciting part: pricing. Set the purchase and rental prices for your film. Then comes reward collaboration, where you set revenue-sharing incentives for distribution partners. You can also manage geo-restrictions from here. The final step is to upload the full movie and subtitles. If you need to make changes, go back to the homepage and click Resume. You can go back to the same process where all information is already stored and make any changes. Upload the full movie and subtitles. You can add one or more subtitles to your content. Now, preview your film's page to see how it looks. Want to collaborate with your team? Use the Invite Team Member button to add roles like manager, editor, viewer, or developer. Each role comes with specific permissions, which are listed below each option.